Documentary. It's a quiet afternoon, and a family gathers in their living room. They decide to watch a documentary. The TV is big and bright, and everyone is excited. The father picks a documentary about animals in Africa. The mother nods in agreement, and the children look eager. The documentary starts with a beautiful scene of the African savanna. The sun shines brightly, and the grass is golden. The narrator's voice is calm and clear. He talks about the different animals that live there. First, they see a group of elephants. The elephants walk slowly across the savanna. The baby elephants stay close to their mothers. The father points to the screen and says, "Look how big they are." The little sister's eyes widen with amazement. Next, the documentary shows lions. The lions rest in the shade of a tree. The narrator explains that lions are strong and powerful hunters. The older brother whispers, "Lions are so cool." The family watches as the lions stretch and yawn. The scene changes to a river. Crocodiles swim slowly in the water. The narrator tells how crocodiles wait patiently for their prey. The mother says, "Crocodiles are scary, but they are also fascinating." The little sister hides her face for a moment, then peeks back at the screen. Now, the documentary shows a herd of zebras. The zebras run gracefully across the grasslands. Their black and white stripes stand out against the green background. The older brother asks, "Why do zebras have stripes?" The narrator explains that the stripes help confuse predators. The documentary then takes them to a forest. Monkeys swing from tree to tree. They chatter and play with each other. The father laughs and says, "Monkeys are so playful." The family smiles as they watch the monkeys' antics. Suddenly, the documentary focuses on a cheetah. The cheetah crouches low in the grass, ready to hunt. It spots a gazelle and starts running. The cheetah is incredibly fast. The family holds their breath, watching the chase. The cheetah catches the gazelle, and the narrator explains the circle of life. The documentary also shows beautiful birds. Colorful parrots fly in the sky, and the narrator talks about their bright feathers. The little sister loves the birds and says, "I wish I could have a parrot as a pet." As the documentary continues, it shows more animals like rhinos, giraffes, and hippos. Each segment is full of interesting facts and stunning visuals. The family learns a lot about the animals and their habitats. Finally, the documentary ends with a sunset over the savanna. The sky turns orange and pink. The narrator talks about the importance of protecting these animals and their homes. The family feels inspired and thoughtful. The father turns off the TV, and they all start talking about their favorite parts. The older brother loves the lions, the little sister can't stop talking about the parrots, and the parents are amazed by the elephants and cheetahs. Watching the documentary brings the family closer. They learn new things together and share their thoughts. It is a wonderful way to spend an afternoon, and they decide to watch more documentaries in the future. They realize that there is so much to discover about the world and its incredible creatures.